Have you ever wanted a house downtown Coeur d'Alene? This may be the one for you. 1127 Indiana Avenue is an amazing house. We're going to take you on a tour. My favorite room of this home is this living space. I can only imagine what you can do with it. This kitchen features beautiful granite countertops, huntwood cabinets, white in color, absolutely beautiful.
Upstairs we have one bedroom, one bathroom, this large living area, and if you needed a second bedroom, you can always finish this space off. And then outside in front of this 2-car detached garage is this beautiful gazebo, paved patio, perfect for barbecues and entertaining. Check out the water features, and if we time it right, we'll get the birds over there. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, please give us a call.